We are on a ferry going to Chiloé. It took us about an hour to drive here from Puerto Montt. However, as you can see, the weather is not cooperating. We might actually get stuck. We are trying to go see the penguins, and so far the weather is not great, but we can't go any other day because it's during the New Year holiday period, so the agencies aren't doing the trip. We did notice online that there are full day versions of this trip that are about $100, but if you have a car, it doesn't really make any sense because they're taking you on the ferry, they're taking you to the penguins. You can save about $80 if you end up driving to Chiloé yourself and then going to the location, which is what we're doing, and then taking the boat for like 3 hours. This is our first day in Chiloé, the island. We wanted to see the penguins, and today was the only day that tours were running because we're right on the precipice of New Year's. So we drove our car from Puerto Montt an hour to the ferry. We took a 25-minute ferry to come to Chiloé. Things just keep going wrong. We're here to see the penguins, but a storm hit us randomly. And now I'm not sure if we're going to be able to go, but we had to drive about 5 hours just to get to the penguins, and we won't find out if we can go see them until around 3. Today we are finally going to attempt to see the penguins. We tried to see the penguins yesterday, but the weather totally washed us out, so this is attempt 2. We are officially on the water. We are on the lookout for dolphins, penguins, different types of birds that are aerial. This is such a wonderful experience because we get to see these animals in their natural habitat. We finally made it! There is the Penguin Island. You'll see the little penguinos over here. Apparently this island is really popular amongst all the birds, so there's quite a few of them just chilling on there. We were told that the penguins build their nests like further into the island where the greenery is, and this is to protect the eggs and to make sure that they don't get swept away on the tide. But quite a few little baby penguinos have been born already, and we were told that they're kind of stupid looking, that they're just like this. Hopefully I got a couple of them in my shots, and it's just because they're juvenile and they're still learning how things work, but it's pretty amazing and pretty adorable. We were also told that the worse the weather, the better the wildlife. So we had a big storm yesterday, and it stormed out our tour originally, but today, wow, this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Thanks for watching. If you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.